may be wondering, how do I implement pull? Implementing pull systems can be complicated. Fortunately, we can follow 6 basic steps that will help us stay on track and get pull set up. So what are those steps? Pull it. Pull it is a simple way to remember the 6 steps that we'll cover in the next few modules. Pull it stands for number 1, prepare to make changes. Number 2, understand the current process. Number 3, lay out equipment in sequence. Number 4, lock in cellular manufacturing. Then implement Kanban, and finally transition to single piece flow. These 6 steps will help you get started with a pull system. With this in mind, we'll see you in the next module where we can begin to pull it.